Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide we will walk through the Dell Cloud Services Expert Exam for Cloud Architect syllabus and what you need to learn to prepare effectively. This exam is organized into 6 domains with precise weights so you can prioritize study time. The domains and their weights are: Cloud Service and Solution Life Cycle 21%, Business Requirements and Service Design 18%, Cloud Service and Solution Orchestration 18%, Cloud Service and Solution Management 18%, Cloud Service and Solution Security 13%, and Cloud Service and Solution Concepts 12%. Cloud Service and Solution Life Cycle makes up 21% of the exam and is rated hard with an estimated 30 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn phase-wise life cycle management, service strategy and portfolio definition, and design principles for scalable cloud services. The domain also covers service transition, implementation planning, continuous service improvement frameworks, and retirement strategies so you can plan end-to-end from inception to decommissioning. Business Requirements and Service Design represents 18% of the exam, is medium difficulty, and expects about 25 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. Candidates learn to translate business needs into technical service architectures by eliciting requirements, analyzing application workloads, and defining compliance constraints. You will also practice building a cloud service business case, doing TCO and ROI analysis, and designing service catalogs, SLA structures, multi-tenant patterns, and disaster recovery to meet organizational objectives. Cloud Service and Solution Orchestration is 18% of the exam, medium difficulty, with roughly 22 hours of study and a mix of hands-on and conceptual questions. This domain teaches automation and orchestration frameworks including orchestration engine components, workflow design, API-driven provisioning, and error handling with automated remediation. You will also design self-service portals and catalogs, implement approval chains and role-based access, and integrate orchestration with identity systems to enable dynamic resource scaling and efficient service fulfillment. Cloud Service and Solution Management carries 18% of the exam, is medium difficulty, and requires about 20 hours of study with scenario-based assessment. Expect to learn operational performance management such as monitoring service health, bottleneck analysis, capacity planning, incident and problem management, and infrastructure as code practices. The domain also covers financial and service level management including metering and billing models, showback reporting, SLA tracking, cost optimization, and third-party contract management to maintain ongoing service value. Cloud Service and Solution Security is 13% of the exam, rated hard, and estimates 20 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will study governance risk and compliance topics such as cloud governance frameworks, regulatory compliance requirements, risk assessment, audit readiness, and data residency considerations. The technical controls section covers IAM, encryption for data at rest and in transit, network microsegmentation, security monitoring and threat detection, application security, and MFA implementation for a layered defense. Cloud Service and Solution Concepts accounts for 12% of the exam, is easy, and suggests about 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches foundational cloud principles including NIST characteristics, service and deployment models like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS and public-private hybrid clouds, and basic infrastructure components such as compute, storage and networking. It also covers cloud economics and business value, the CAPEX to OPEX shift, utility pricing, economies of scale, and how cloud impacts IT structure and time to market. To wrap up, use the domain weights and estimated learning times to create a focused study plan and practice both conceptual scenarios and hands-on workflows. Prioritize the heavier weight domains and the hard topics in life cycle and security, and make sure to apply what you learn with scenario practice to succeed on the exam.